Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to change SIM pin on SIM card on this device. So first you should go to the settings application, and now just go to the security section. Here you'll see the SIM card lock, just tap there. And now we got here the change SIM pin section, tap there, and here you should enter your old SIM pin. In my case that's from 4 to 1. I think you got the other one. Now just tap here to OK, and here we should enter the new SIM pin. I'll make that from 1 to 4. Now just tap to OK, and now just retype the new pin to confirm. And here tap again OK, and as can you see we got here the message that our SIM pin changed successfully. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.